Hi, Lines on Clay users. We are introducing you to a resource that's an oldie but a goodie. You can see down here, last updated June 29th, 2008. So this has been around. And this is from onlinestatbook.com. We're going to give you the link just in the course. There are just some tools that can be helpful in conceptualizing better some of these statistical ideas or techniques. The one that we're going to look at actually relates to the central limit theorem. And we're not really going to use this tool in its fullness because that's just not where we are in our academic journey at this point. But what we wanted you to be able to do is head over to sampling distributions, go to begin, and what we want is something very simple from you. And it's just all you do is move your mouse around. And what's happening here is we are creating a probability distribution, just like so. Wow, this distribution that I made just by moving my cursor, a mean of 16.64, a median of 16.0, a standard deviation of 8.75, and there's a little bit of skew and kurtosis, which we get into later in the course. But that is really all we want you to do. You can then go through and just continue changing. You can do something that's really like bimodal, where it's extreme. You've got an extreme over here, and then you've got basically nothing, and then you've got an extreme over there. And what's nice about this tool is that the area under the curve is always equal to 1. And so you are always really working with a probability distribution, and it's up to you just to shape it as you see fit. Go in there and play around.